Hello everyone, today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add additional key. This kit is compatible with 2017 to 2020 Honda CR-V. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option to save money. This tool will work on any aftermarket or original key. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it many times in your vehicle, but not in any other vehicle. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. Once you connect it, select Add Key. Then press Enter. Take all smart keys outside the vehicle. Then press Enter. Place your working smart key inside the vehicle. Press Enter. Press the Push to Start button twice. Then press Enter. The programmer will communicate and configure the system of your vehicle. Now take the smart key out of your vehicle. Then press Enter. Bring in the new smart key to start the programming procedure. Press Enter. The programmer will communicate to your vehicle. When you hear the two beeping sound, switch the ignition off. Then switch the ignition on by press the Push to Start button twice. You will hear the beeping sound. Then switch the ignition off. Again switch the ignition by press the Push to Start button twice. You will hear the beeping sound. Again, then switch the ignition off. Turn the ignition on by press the Push to Start button twice. You will hear the beeping sound. Then switch the ignition to off. Again, turn the ignition on by press the Push to Start button twice for the last time to complete the programming. Once hear the beeping sound indicating programming is successful. This means it is all done. So, next, unplug the tool and let's test the key fob. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Repeat the steps if you have more keys to program. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.